Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 address on Kucoin. For that, you need to launch your Kucoin mobile application and then log into your account. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the Deposit Crypto option. Over here, you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can send and receive on Kucoin. But as we want to search for USDT, you can use the search bar in the top and you can search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you need to tap on it and then it will ask you to select the network. Now here you need to select the ERC20 network and then you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy this address from here by tapping on the copy button right next to it, and you can use this address in order to receive your USDT based on the ERC20 network in your Kucoin account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.